Welcome to the Crash Lab. Today we're testing the LEGO Speed Champions F1 Academy race car set 77258 from 2026. At 10 mph nothing happens at all. The car bounces straight back off the wall, completely intact, not a single piece moves. At 25 mph, the car spins sideways on impact and one small piece breaks loose. But both wings, the halo, the body, all still attached. Now it gets interesting. 50 mph. The entire front wing detaches as one clean unit. The rear wing is still on, though visibly stressed and slightly bent, hanging on for dear life. The right rear wheel pops off too. The suspension takes the hit so the body doesn't have to. At 75 mph, more body panels scatter across the track in both directions. The right rear wheel is gone again, same as before, but the rear wing still there. That thing simply refuses to quit. The finale 100 mph parts fly across the entire length of the track and they stay there, spread out far and wide. Both rear wheels are gone, body panels everywhere. But look closely at what's left. The chassis is completely intact, the halo is still standing and the driver is still sitting safely in the cockpit. The halo does exactly what it's designed to do. The stud grip is good. Core, structure and halo held through every test. The rebuildability is medium. Some parts scatter widely across the track and don't stay together as clean sub-assemblies. All parts survived all 5 tests without visible damage. 3 out of 5 stars. A solid core but a messy crasher. Your living room floor will know the difference.